Back at Disney's Blizzard Beach water park for the first time in quite a long time. I meant to come here right after I bought my water park pass, but I've been forgetting and been busy, so here we are. This is cool. $15 or $20, I might do it. I don't know if you have to put a Mickey Mouse on yours. Let's see. It might come, well, let's find out. All right, I'm gonna do it. I don't know if I did such a good job this time. I did that first shirt pretty well, and the future ones aren't going as well as I'd like them to go. So, to the car with us, and then on to the attractions. Check it out, it's running. I've been here a bunch of times with my previous pass when there was lightning too close and it wasn't running. So, we'll check it out. Well, here we are. Oh look, there's a gondola. Ooh, fancy. How do you get that one? Just want to remind you that I'm still looking for 1,000 subscribers on my Roddy Paws channel. Roddy Paws. Just turned southern there for a moment. What the heck? My Roddy Paws channel. Here's a link right up here. So we are going to go down, or at least I am. Hopefully I can take you down a ride that's supposedly open now. That has been closed since the first time I've been here. First time I was here was 2016, but I believe it's actually open. So let's go check that out. That looks like fun, but I'll never know because no adults allowed without children. I don't have any children with me, so I can't go. See, like that dude down there is gonna go on it, but that's because he has a kid with him. I am denied. I know the other rides are more for adults, so I still want to go on that one. It looks cool. What? Now we've been on Mount Gushmore. Not going to say we're not going to go back on it, but right now we're going to go this way. All right, it's true. This is running. I've never seen this running. A few times we've been here, as if you remember, it was closed. No, am I going the right place for it though? I don't know. I feel like I'm going down the exit. Okay. I guess you have to go to the bottom and then climb up. You can't take this lift. That's lame. I've been down there before. This is apparently the exit. So I guess I'm going to take a slide down. That's not very well explained. Sure, so I guess we will go on the Steamboat Springs then. I don't know if you can see it with the wide GoPro, but that's Pandora and that's Everest. Over here, not sure what that is. Oh, that's probably that's Star Wars. Epcot, Swan Dolphin. I'm not sure what that building is. Hollywood, Tower of Terror. Here we go. Whoa! Oh my gosh, this is cool.
Oh! Yeah, we've been on this one.
Oh, sorry. Oh.
I wish I could see it.
Whoa.
There it is.
Yeah. Well, I see where we were.
Whoa.
Oh, is that the finish line?
Wow.
Whoa.
Are you bored?
Oh, sorry. Let's
I'm
place now.
bored. I'm bored.
Woo.
Oh.
Forgot this is the one where we fall off.
Whoa. I want to take that raft. All right, well, I am here. I have to go all the way over to here and then go up the stairs apparently. This is the lift where we went up, and you can see a ramp all the way down there from up there, but apparently it's not the entrance. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, well, I've made it to the slides that have been until recently closed, and I've also turned on the GPS function on my GoPro, so see how that works going forward in water parks and theme parks. It's supposed to tell me all kinds of interesting things like altitude and speed and things like that, so we'll see. Downside is the entire ride is dark, so I'm not going to try to take you on it because you're not going to see anything. Sorry. Never mind, it says open slide and closed slide, so maybe I'll try to take the open slide and see what we can see. Alright, here we go. While I'm waiting here in line, how about a mid-video ad break? Fade out. Sorry, had to sit down first, then grab my camera. So, welcome back. If you don't have YouTube Premium, or if you skip the ad or have an ad blocker, would rather you not do that, but it's pretty cool. This is my first time on the slide. Thankfully, as you can see, as I said, there is an open slide, so, you know, you can see. And sploosh! I don't know how much of that recorded because I just got a card error. So should I walk to my next attraction I'm going to? No, I'm going to go on the Lazy River. Oh, well, technically it's not called the Lazy River, but that's the concept. The reason why it's called the Lazy River is it goes from one attraction to another, so you don't have to walk. You can be lazy. See Universal, see all those other water parks? This is how you properly do a lazy river. It should go around the entire perimeter of the park and go from one attraction to another. Now, Atlantis takes it even further by letting you stay in your tube and go up a belt to your next attraction. I've only ever seen that in Atlantis in the Bahamas. They may have it other places. It's the only place I've ever seen it. But first I need to go find a place that will serve a cup of water because I'm getting dehydrated. Now that I'm hydrated again, Typhoon Lagoon has one of the largest wave pools in the world. Blizzard Beach, way smaller, but you can bring tubes in it, which is pretty cool. Now finding a tube that's not being used, that's not so easy. Keep finding them and someone takes them right before. Here's one that's not so well inflated. Oh, also the water is pretty somewhat chilly, but not really. It's a pleasant temperature. Card error, so I'll start over again. So longtime viewers of this channel or people who've watched my other Blizzard Beach videos will know that in this very wave pool I lost my original Magic Band, but I found it. Then I thought after my original annual pass expired that I threw it away, so I bought a new one. Then I found that I didn't throw it away, so I thought I lost it in the pool, thought I threw it away, didn't, but I'd already bought a black Magic Band. But the black Magic Band shows scuffing way too easily, and Brian's friend who invited us to Moonlight Magic recently gave us each a Magic Band, I guess as part of their package, which was very nice of them. And it was blue, so I took the black out of the blackish dark gray and put it in the blue one. So now I have a little bit of a custom one. Nice little combination of colors there. So why do I have so many problems with GoPro cameras? So as I was saying, it's a little tricky to find a tube in this wave pool, but it's actually very easy to get all the way to the back, and then you just kind of stay there. All right, well, because I saw a whole bunch of adults going down this, I decided to go down it myself. All right, here we go. Whoops, I got stuck there for a second. Woo! 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 All right, cool. Now, I don't get hung up on the fact that it's made for kids. I had fun, so. There's another card error. What is with my luck and GoPros? So, that'll do it for this short trip to Blizzard Beach. I have to get home and change to go as a guest this time to Halloween Horror Nights. I saw one of you had been there and was looking for me, so I'll be there tonight, so hopefully I'll meet up with you. But for the rest of you, thanks for watching this video all the way through. And please exit through the gift shop. One of the things I dislike the most about this place is they play Christmas music all year round. Looks like this is the time to go into Cross Country Creek, being that it's mostly open tubes. But just like the water, I'm gonna leave.